Now before I show you how to remove that toilet, let's talk about this here first. This is a waxless ring. Okay? This one here happens to be a Fluid Master, and I'm going to try this. It says it's universal, fits any drain, any toilet. Okay? And I use Fluid Master fill valves, and they seem to do pretty good. And I'm going to use that. And what is this all about? See, it looks like it's rubber or something. I pull this out. There's two different pieces to it. And see, this is just flexible and it's rubber. Okay, look at. And the beauty of this is you can set the toilet down there. You don't have to have a wax ring, because the toilet that I'm going to be working on later to show you, it's kind of has to be shimmed up in the front of it. And that's why I have these little plastic shims. These are called composite shims. Okay, wood plastic composite shims is what it says right here. And you can snap these off wherever you need them, and we'll get into that later. But the beauty of this type of waxless ring is you can set the toilet down there, then you can kind of move it around, lift it up, jostle it into place, then you can shim up one side or this or the end or whatever, and not have to worry about goobering up. Yes, goobering up the wax ring. Because you know, with the wax ring you only get one shot at it. Once you have the wax ring down and you set the toilet on there, you have to push it down in one go. But once you push it down, if the toilet's kind of sagging to one side or the other, let's say if it's sagging to the front and you want to lift the front up, now the wax ring has been pushed down. Now you're lifting it up off the wax ring and you've defeated the purpose, and you could have a possible leak there. But with this, you're not going to have that at all. And this, you know, it comes with directions and everything, and I'll get into this later. But see, there's a black part too. If your Herkel flange is lower than flush with the floor, you put this ring down first. Okay, and then that takes up the difference there. Then you put this one, and this goes down in the hole, and then you've got the bolts here and stuff, and then they come up through that. Okay, it's really pretty slick how they've got it nowadays. I don't think I'll ever use a wax ring again. They still have wax rings, but I don't think I'm going to use them. These cost a little bit more, but well worth it in the long run. Okay, stick around and I'll show you how it's done. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more video.